Grasshopper climbing bare glass.
Why do they do that?
I don't know. It's like he ratchets his hind legs to get him in position for another move or something. He's got like knees, if you watch him, but they bend backwards. He's got feet and knees, only it's like you would be having your back to the glass and climbing up.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.